Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys a very simple transition that I use a lot in my set. Usually I use these transitions whenever I feel like I want to reverse all my move. Alright, so let's say I'm doing counterclockwise footwork, and then when I'm about to go to the clockwise, I usually use this as a bridge or transitions to go from there. I'm going to explain more about that, but before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. Just make sure you can do one step, which is helicopter, and I feel that most of you guys that are watching this video right now already know how to do it. Alright, so as long as you can master the helicopter, then this move is a very easy or a piece of cake for you guys. Now I'm going to show you guys from the helicopter. I'm going to do one helicopter or the one step, and then from there I'm going to go to this transition that I'm talking about. One step. Now from here you can see that I'm already pressing my left knee on the ground. This is what you should do, alright? And now you're gonna keep swinging your right leg, keep it straight, and from here you're gonna pause, you're gonna hook your right leg over onto your left leg like this, alright? And then you can do something like a pose or whatever you want to do it. Now this is what I'm talking about. Yes, it looks simple like I said earlier, but whenever you want to go to the different clockwise or counterclockwise, you can start from here like I did just now. I'm doing counterclockwise. Now I'm going to reverse all my footwork into clockwise. I can swing my right leg back over and can start my clockwise footwork. Very simple stuff. You can do more than that. You can go to the power move or anything that you can think of. Just make sure you practice this, alright? So one more time from the start. So there you go, these very simple transitions that anyone can do right now. Just try it out. Let me know if you have any problem. Just put in the comment section below. That's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.